Hello, Peter here, day 3 of our 30-day meditation series. So today I want to talk about breathing meditation. Why is breathing meditation so important? Well, as we age, information tends to rise to the head. We get so much stuff now coming into our head. So it tends to make us breathe in a more shallow manner. And what we should be doing is breathing into our lower abdomen, pushing down, which is why a diaphragm can push down, helps to stimulate the internal organs, keeps the energy flowing properly around the body. Also, the breath is one of the biggest ways of intaking energy for our body. In the Eastern traditions, they call it pranayama. So breath is so important for you to really practice deep breathing, and we do many breathing techniques, and you'll find the one that you want in the courses that I run. But you can try this for free if you just click the link below and go to the meditation and mindfulness webinar. I've done 5 techniques there. One of them is a breathing technique. Click the link and you can try that, experience it for yourself for free, and I'll see you in the next video.